Age, a concept ever presents yet always changing. It shapes our perspectives, our bodies, and our souls. As the playwright Oscar Wilde once declared, the tragedy of old age is not that one is old, but that one is young. In these words lies a poignant truth. Even as our years advance, our hearts may still yearn for youth's endless possibilities. To grow older is to witness the tapestry of life unfold, celebrations and sorrows, hopes and regrets. Yet for all its inevitability, aging remains a deeply personal journey. Experts remind us that it is possible at any age to discover a lifelong desire you never knew you had. This simple realization breathes life into the notion that every birthday can mark a new beginning. The passage of time makes itself known in subtle ways, a wrinkle here, a stiff joint there. A humorous reminder of this universal truth states, everything slows down with age, except the time it takes cake and ice cream to reach your hips. Indeed, our metabolisms may slow, but our appetite for life need not. Time spares no one, but we can choose how we respond. Ancient wisdom holds, age is no barrier, it's a limitation you put on your mind. In acknowledging the changes we see in the mirror, we also uncover the strength of spirit waiting just beneath the surface. With every candle added to the birthday cake, life gifts us lessons in empathy, resilience, and understanding. A wise proverb states, "Gray hair is a sign of wisdom, not old age." Through experience, both triumphant and painful, we refine our sense of self and our outlook on the world. Psychologists suggest that the perspective gained through age can be more valuable than any external measure of success. It is during these later chapters that many of us learn what truly matters: genuine connection, personal fulfillment, and peace of mind. Though aging may bring challenges, it also offers the freedom to redefine life on our own terms. At any age, you can still plant new dreams, say some experts, and indeed countless stories show that late bloomers can flourish when they dare to discover new passions. These are not mere coincidences, but testaments to the human spirit's capacity for growth. Another proverb assures us, you are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. In the end, age is more than a number. It's a testament to our journey, a quilt of experiences, longings, and triumphs. As we step further into our years, we carry all that we were, all that we are, and all that we can still become. A Chinese proverb reminds us, one generation plants the trees, another gets the shade. May we each find shade in the wisdom of those who came before us and plant our own trees of hope for those who follow. May we embrace the years, celebrating the gifts only time can bestow.